Go back to the hose. Move the branches out of the way.
Me?
Yeah, move the branches. Move them with your hand. Put your hand in front and push them out of the way. Yeah, push it out of the way. See? Push it out of the way. Be careful. Take your time. Good work. No, you can't go that way. It's wet. Yucky. You don't get wet. There's water there. Let's go up the hill. Let's go find the dogs. Good work. You want to come down on your bum? Remember how you go down on your stairs on your bum? Sit on your bum. Yep, now slide down. Good job. Way to go, Gavin. Oh, it's getting dark. I can barely see us. Yeah, let's the leg that way. Let's go find the dogs. Yeah, we're going to go play with the dogs. And rake some leaves.
Rake leaves.
Yeah, rake some leaves. Oh, you heard Benny barking? He misses us. Oh, there's Monty too. Oh, only Monty. Benny left. Go, Monty, go. Bet, Monty. In there. Go. Go.